Welcome back to the channel, guys. Hope you're having a great time out there. Hope you're all doing well. Today we're going out to the outlets, to the Nike outlet at King's Cross, and I'm basically going to Offspring to go and pick up my Maniere 4. So stay tuned and let's see what hits at the stores. Welcome. Today we're at King's Cross. We're going to have a look at Nike outlet in King's Cross, so we might go into Offspring. We got King's Cross. We might go into Offspring and have a look around and see what's at the outlets. Today I have the Maniere 4s on feet. So let's have a look. As you can see, when you get in, you've got the women's section downstairs. Boxes. Oh wow, it's still got the Laney 2.0s in. It's a very dope sneaker. Look at the leather on this. They also have the street styles. Damn. Let's see what's on the racks for the ladies. See if there's any steals and deals over here. Blazer action. You've got some of these regular Jordan and Nike silhouettes over here, which is crazy. Nothing much on the racks. They have the Jordan 1 lattes on deck. The actual quality on these are not too bad. Looks tumbled all the way through. Just not feeling that latte colorway. If you've got the mochas. And then they have the satin reds. Hey, these are heavy. 74 quid, that's crazy. That's not too bad. Have they got my size? Don't look like they got my size. Maybe they do. Do they? No, they don't have my size. UK 9 is the highest they got. No, 9.5. Could wear that, but satin reds, not £1,000 anymore, are they? This is more of like a Nike runner shop. As you can see, some Pegasus on deck. And love the runners that they're doing with the Pegasus. Can't wait to see the Legends come out next year. But that whole orange on the Nike just makes it look dope, if I'm honest. £59 for Huaraches, not bad. And I did have a triple black variations. I might be tempted to rock these in the summertime. If you are looking for Huaraches, 60 quid's not bad, to be honest. Don't know if there's an extra percentage off these, please, but that's not bad. Going upstairs to the men's section, let's take a look. Jordan 1 midnight navy highs. I'll get these when they were actually on sale. These are nice. RMs with extra laces. Very dope. Love these. Absolutely dope. Back wall full of runners. So that was Nike. Let's get to Offspring and see what they've got in the Offspring store over here, because if you come out of Nike and you go left, it's straight down. Okay, we're approaching Offspring, so let's have a look what's inside of the King's Cross Offspring.
I just discovered Crown and iced coffee, kind of turned up in her right now, you know what I'm saying? I swear I'm the truth. I swear I'm the truth. I keep trying to tell them, but it ain't no use trying to convince these niggas, even though I got the proof. I just throw up the deuce. I swear I'm the truth. I swear I'm the truth. I keep trying to tell them, but it ain't no use trying to convince these niggas, even though I got the proof. I just set fire to the booth, the chosen one like Luke. I spread my wings, I'm still in love like truth. I ran myself full circle like hoops, bobbing, weaving through the traffic like coops. Underrated on the pavement like some high-tech boots. Take my aim at the game and I shoot. Missed the target by a measure, now I do it for pleasure. Ain't no rush, I can pop off at my leisure. It ain't on me, boys in me, so I won't don't lose my clever. Plus I'm straight, I ain't hurting for cheddar. That's an old school reference. Got a real shit preference. I come at you with deference. I ain't studying you stepping. I don't care what you reppin'. I'm west side to the death end. I'm A-town, ain't no guessing. Nothing more, nothing less. Ain't gon' ask for no blessing. I come through with the wrecking. I'm low key, no suspecting. You won't notice no weapon. I'm wide awake, you been sleeping. I unsended the message. If I do miss some betting, it's on me, bring that check in. I swear I'm the truth. I swear I'm the truth. I keep trying to tell them, but it ain't no use trying to convince these niggas, even though I got the proof. I just throw up the deuce. I swear I'm the truth. I swear I'm the truth. I keep trying to tell them, but it ain't no use trying to convince these niggas, even though I got the proof. Yeah, I just set fire to the booth. I'm coming back with more flavors. Put it all on the table. Similar to Jada, maybe it'll dawn on you later. I stay true to my nature, boy, I ain't never been a hater. I'm suave like Draper, may not eat all my papers. Death to all the fakers. I'm just keeping it player. Out for vengeance like Vader. I'ma stay on the radar. Youngest spirit, old soul.
This was King's Cross outlet. Basically, there's a lot of stores in here. I think the two main stores for the sneakerheads is Nike and Offspring. As you can see, if you go out, you'll be able to see all the heat. They've got still Balvin sitting. They've still got Maniere 3 sitting. Still got a lot, so it's worth going. And obviously, you can see the area is really, really nice. Especially if you want to take some photographs, and especially if you just want to go out and get something to eat. Great area to be in, to be honest. As you can see, guys, there's a lot of heat on the stores. Basically, the Balvin 3s were sitting, the Maniere 3s are sitting, all the 4s are sitting at Offspring. So go to the retailers, like I keep telling you guys. Don't sit at home expecting the sneakers to kind of drop online. Go to the stores, go see what's at the stores, especially if you're outside the US, because there's a lot of heat out there that you can still cop. We're not talking about the exclusive stuff, because some of the stuff that was sitting months ago is still sitting and still on sale. So go and check that out. Like I showed you guys, satin breads for 73 quid. I think there's a bit of a sale on that as well. You got the lattes, you've got a lot of heat out there still sitting at the outlets and at the retailers. So go and check that out. But thank you for tuning in. Thank you for always coming back and showing love and support, because you always do, guys, and I absolutely adore the love and support that you guys are showing. But also, please make sure you keep doing amazing things that you keep doing to excel, and it's important that you guys keep winning and getting those discounts for the sneakers that are at the retailers and at the actual outlets. So go and check them out, guys. Don't sit, go out there and go on your J's and actually go and get the sneakers. If you might be J's, 3 stripes, whatever it is, go and get your sneakers. But for me, TJ, I Love Customs, thank you for tuning in and thank you for always coming back. But for me, until the next video, until the next actual review, hope you have an amazing week, amazing month, and an amazing year, and hope you guys cop the sneakers you like, because you deserve to get the sneakers you want. For me, TJ, I Love Customs. Peace out for now, guys, and peace.